Hey everybody, welcome to another edition of Grizzly Comics and Collectibles Card Breaking Edition. We've got Panini, Donruss, Optic 2020. We've got 5 blaster boxes. There are 6 packs per box with 4 cards per pack. And you can find blaster exclusive pink parallels. There's supposed to be 3 per box on average. And there's all the information for all the stuff that you can find in there. And let's crack these bad boys open. These run about $19.99 in stores if you can find them. Unfortunately, there's such a shortage on sports cards this year, I guess because of the pandemic and people are looking for stuff to do, that it's hard to find this stuff now. But I think you can pick them up online for about that price. I like the pack design. Donruss Optic is kind of the Topps Chrome of Panini's products, or for Donruss at least. The first card in the pack we just opened is Nick Senzel. We've got Jose Altuve, a Javi Baez mythical insert, and a rated rookie of Michael King. First card is Jorge Soler, Anthony Rizzo, nice card, Yoshitomo Tsutsuga, and AJ Puck is our rookie. So it looks like there's about 4 cards per pack, as it says, and looks like there's a rookie per pack, so that's kind of cool. AJ Puck, one of the top-rated prospects. So, first card for this one is Adalberto Mondesi, Trey Turner for the Nationals, a rated prospect of Christian Pache, I believe that's how you say that. That's interesting. And a rated rookie of Lewis Thorpe. I don't know what the difference is between a rated prospect and a rated rookie. I guess that would be someone who's in the organization but maybe hasn't been called up yet. If you know, comment below and let me know, because I have no idea. Alright. We've got a John Means, starting things off from the set. A Jeff McNeil. An insert of Luis Robert, one of the hottest rookies in the game currently. Very cool card. Look at that. Nice shine to it. And a Diamond Kings of the hottest player in the game, Fernando Tatis Jr. This is the most exciting player in the game, leading the league pretty much in every stat that kind of matters. Very awesome player. And in this pack we've got a Chris Bryant, a Chris Sale, a throwback Donruss design of George Brett, and a rated rookie of Bo Bichette, another top prospect in the game right now. Our last regular pack, we've got a Brian Reynolds. Looks like we got a hit. A Shohei Ohtani. That's probably a Prism card, it looks like, of Brusdar Graterol, rated rookie. He's numbered? It's not numbered, but it is a Prism, so that's a pretty nice card. And a Travis Demerite, I believe that's how you say that. So that's our rookie. And the bonus pack, we've got a Christian Yelich pink parallel, a Matt Carpenter, and a Javier Baez Diamond Kings. So the pink parallels, really nice looking cards. Optic, probably one of my favorite products to open. Love that chrome looking design. Harkens back to the old Topps Chrome stuff. Well, I guess they still make Topps Chrome, but Not for basketball, which is the sport I care about the most, but getting into other sports now. And baseball is probably my second favorite. America's pastime. Alright. So, first pack we've got John Means. Oh, it looks like we've got a hit. It is a Panini Rewards. Alright, well, that's cool, I guess. A Gary Carter and a rated rookie of Bobby Bradley. I think they put those points cards in place of actual hits, and I think I'd rather have the actual hit personally. This pack we start off with Chris Sale. I don't know what this card is. That's Ken Griffey Jr. A Stars and Stripes Ken Griffey Jr. Prism card. I don't know how to feel about this card. It's kind of a crappy design, if I'm gonna be honest. I don't really like this just random, like, it's just, the picture quality doesn't look very good. It's just, I don't know, they could have done a better job with that one. Evan White, Stained Glass, and Juan Soto, Diamond Kings. So, a couple of nice cards to round that pack out. This pack we've got Shohei Ohtani, Chris Bryant, and Illusions of Trevor Story. And our rated rookie is Ronald Bolanos. Bolanos, I believe that's how you say that. And this pack we've got a Yadier Molina, Brian Reynolds, a rated prospect prism of Adley Rushman. I think he's one of the top prospects in the Baltimore's organization. And Randy Arozarena, rated rookie. This pack we've got Matt Carpenter, a Jonathan Villar, the rookies AJ Puck insert, and a Pete Alonso Diamond Kings. Our last regular pack, we've got a Blake Snell, Christian Yelich, a Rafael Devers Diamond King Prism card, very nice, and a Sam Hilliard rookie card. And the bonus pack, we've got a Mike Trout Pink Parallel. That's a really great card. A Steven Strasburg, another solid parallel. And a Joe Palumbo rated rookie parallel. Pretty solid. Alright, so box number 3. So definitely worth the 20 bucks you spend, I think. I think you get a pretty solid amount of cards, and it's one of the higher end products that's not crazy expensive, so I think you definitely get your money's worth with these. Justin Verlander starts things off in this pack. We've got Javier Baez, a rated prospects of Jason Dominguez. He's a very highly touted prospect in the league, not just in the Yankees organization, but in the league. And a Dylan Cease rated rookie. Very nice card. Jason Dominguez, one of the hotter players in the game right now. Big hopes for him in the Yankees organization. Paul Goldschmidt starts things off in this pack. We've got a Charlie Blackmon, a Dave Winfield kind of Donruss retro design, and another Javier Baez Diamond Kings. Jorge Polanco, a Bryce Harper, a mythical Juan Soto, it's a really nice card, and an Isan Diaz rated rookie. Let's see, we got Cody Bellinger. Looks like we got another Prism card. A Ronald Acuna Jr., very nice. A Prism card of Paul Molitor, kind of throwback design, and a Logan Allen as our rookie. Alright, we've got Trey Mancini, a Masahiro Tanaka, a Diamond Kings Prism of Vladimir Guerrero Jr., and a Diamond Kings of Lance Lynn. And so I guess no rookie in that pack. But 2 inserts, so can't complain about that. Alright, we got a Kevin Newman. Oh, looks like we might have an autograph. And we do! A Corey Ray Optic Autographs card. Very nice. It is an on-sticker card autograph, not a on-card auto, unfortunately. But we've also got a Miguel Cabrera and a Trent Grisham rookie card. So, pretty nice. And last but not least is our bonus pack. We've got a Blake Snell Pink Prism, a Logan Allen rated rookie Pink Prism, and an Isan Diaz Pink Prism. Alright, so 2 more boxes. In case you guys can hear my dog Stella going ballistic downstairs. We've got JD Martinez, a Clayton Kershaw, a Mythical of Vladimir Guerrero Jr., very nice card, and a Justin Dunn rated rookie. So very nice. We've got an Eloy Jimenez starting things off. A Albert Pujols. I believe he just passed Alex Rodriguez for most home runs, or his spot at least. But pretty historic stuff from Pujols. An Alex Bregman Prism card, very nice, and a Brusdar Graterol rated rookie. Alright, we've got a Matt Chapman. He's one of the top players in the A's organization. A Corey Kluber, one of the top pitchers in the game. A Donruss throwback design of Alan Trammell. And a Jonathan Hernandez rated rookie card. And let's see, we got 3 more packs. We've got a Jose Barrios. It's like pack dust or something on there. I don't know. It looks like there's a blemish on this card too. That's unfortunate. A Vladimir Guerrero Jr. A very nice Prism stained glass insert of Gavin Lux, one of the top rookies in the league right now. And a Diamond Kings of Aaron Judge. So, nice end to that pack, even though one of the first card was kind of messed up. The other cards made up for it. Alright, we've got Yoan Moncada, one of the stars of the White Sox organization. They've got a lot of good young guys on that team. A Mookie Betts. Excuse me. A Nate Pearson rated prospects. And a All-Stars Christian Yelich insert card. Very cool. Last pack, we've got Rafael Devers, a Mitch Haniger, a Aristides Aquino, the rookies insert, and a Sheldon Noisy rated rookie card, one of the top rookies for the Oakland A's. And our bonus pack with our parallels, we've got a Josh Donaldson pink parallel, a Sterling Marte pink parallel, and a Diamond Kings Juan Soto parallel. So nice bonuses. And our final box. We've got a Jeff McNeil, a Adalberto Mondesi, a Marcus Seaman Prism card, very nice, and a Shun Yamaguchi rated rookie. In this pack we start off with Anthony Rendon, a Josh Donaldson, another Josh Donaldson, the Stained Glass Insert Edition, and a Diamond Kings of Paul Goldschmidt. And this one we've got Ramon Laureano, and Alex Bregman, a Illusions of Isan Diaz, really nice card, and a rated rookie of Jake Rogers. Jose Altuve starts things off. A Marcus Seaman, a regular version. A Mythical of Wander Franco. Very cool card. I like those mythical designs. And Brock Burke is our rated rookie. And this one we've got an Anthony Rizzo, a Nick Senzel, a Gavin Lux Prism, very nice card. Very cool. And a Nolan Arenado Diamond Kings. And our final pack. Keep your fingers crossed for something good. We've got Trey Turner, Jorge Soler, a Jared Kelenic rated prospect, and our rated rookie is Jordan Yamamoto. And our final pack, the bonus pack, all those pink parallels. We've got Ramon Laureano, an Alex Bregman, and a Jonathan Daza. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment below. What was your favorite card? What did you think was the best card in the set? Check out grizzlycnc.com. We've got sports cards, action figures, comic books, everything collectible that you could think of. We've also got a link to our eBay page on there, which we've got even more stuff. And check out us on Instagram at grizzlycnc. We post pictures of all the great stuff that we come across. Like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.